I've searched everywhere in the United States for a more affordable option, but honestly, the treatment here costs an arm and a leg. And the quotes I received were just sky high. I'm Barrett McClain. I'm a Chicago real estate agent. In this business, your image is your best tool. My day-to-day involves being face-to-face with clients and closings all day. So feeling insecure about my smile was really taking a toll on my self-esteem and my confidence to sell. After looking through several Facebook groups and social media, I came across an ad for the Dr. Tremolada clinic. As soon as I checked their website and saw how modern their facilities are, I knew it was the level of quality I was looking for. I scheduled a virtual consultation, sent over my CBCT tomogram and intraoral scans, and they confirmed the same diagnosis I was given in the US, but at a completely different price point. They guaranteed high-end standards using Straumann implants and zirconia, explaining that the process would happen in 2 stages, starting with an immediate load provisional prosthesis, so I wouldn't have to hit pause on my work for a single day. But what really sold me was the dental tourist package. They took off the entirely logistical weight of my shoulders, hosted me on a luxury hotel on the best area of Lima. I ate at incredible restaurants and visited the city's iconic landmarks. At Dr. Tremolada Clinic, I didn't just receive world-class care. I got back the confidence my career demands. I'm coming back to Chicago ready to close deals and smile with total confidence in front of my clients. I recommend Dr. Tremolada Clinic.